every day. Find your job in a smarter way.
Hello everyone. I am so thrilled to share an inspiring success story that highlights the transformative power of AI and machine learning in the job market. As a proud woman in the team, I know firsthand technology can open doors and create opportunities that were unimaginable. The 21st century job market landscape is a digital game flourishing with the advent of technological advancements. Microsoft Hackathon AI Job Assistant is at the heart of Revolution, an extraordinary tool that harnesses the recent job data from LinkedIn and presents it seamlessly job seekers. We had implemented this solution in two different stages. One is the stage one as a prerequisite for loading customized data into the Azure Cosmos DB. On top of this data, next stage was implemented for retrieving the information and sending the details to job assistant that we had built it. So this stage one, the backend app is invoking the LinkedIn Voyager API and which collect all the job details and posted into the Azure Cosmos DB. And also in the data, we had vectorized the job data using the model GPT-432K and embedding text embedding ADA 002. As part of the next stage, we had implemented the solution with this different resources that we had created in the Azure platform. So we had created the web app service plan and also the container registry to store all the container details for retrieving this data. And then we will move on to the next stage. So here what we had done is like the user sends the user prompts to the Azure frontend web app, which was built in React.js, Fluentd, TypeScript, and Void. And the API request invoked to the Azure container, which is having the LangChain LLM model, which invokes the Cosmos DB to retrieve the data. And from the Azure OpenAI, it customized to the response and send it back to the user. So next, I'll move on to the next stage of solution. So this is our front end application. So this is the AI ML jobs crew that we had built it. Okay. So in this web app, it is invoking, and these are the different jobs we had customized. So you can ask the question anything. So whenever the API call is invoked, it is going and invoking the backend API, the container app that we had built by passing the input details to the customer, the backend. Okay, so the prompt is sending with what are the different locations to the backend, and from the backend, it is invoking the data and send it back to us. So similar way, we can ask the different set of questions. These are the sample questions we had placed in, and even we can very well go and ask it like a specific to the company specific or job search availability requirements and classification, qualification, and salary and compensation. Okay, so our code is available in the GitHub repository in the branch vectorized data of MS Jobs Group. We had posted the data. And if any questions, feel free to reach out. And thanks for listening to our story.
AI ML every day. Find your job in a smarter way.